So another option you can use is they have what they call the access point. So the access point has a USB connection which you can connect it to your onto your computer. So I plug that in, and then what I can do is scan the barcode so that I can pair it with my Pro Gloves, and that's what we're about to do. Just hold on a sec. So let me just put this on, and I'm just gonna wait and finish this LED lights turn on. I can open a notepad from here and then see if I can scan a few of the barcodes. So I'm just waiting for this to finish up. All right. Okay, it's still loading though. I've disconnected my Pro Gloves from the Android because I wanted to connect to this access point, which is wired to the computer. USB scanner. Yep, the LED light seems to be stable. Cloud is trying to turn on, and it says scan pairing barcode. So I'm just gonna wait for all of this to stable, and now I can try to scan a barcode from here. Now it's saying that yep, it's connected. That means my Pro Gloves is connected to the access point, which is wired to my computer. And I open a notepad, so from the notepad I can now try to scan. So I'll just leave it here. It's already connected and paired to my computer. I will try to scan a few barcodes here, which I have, and I'm going to show you by scanning a few barcodes. Yep, it shows in my computer. Try another barcode. Yep, it shows in the computer. Try another barcode. And that's how you make this Pro Gloves work with your computer through the access point.